Okay, we got some hodaka parts with the cylinder honed. Nice. And get some bearings in the cases. Start putting the bottom end together. Get this case heated up. Get the main bearing in. I don't have an oven here, so this is how we're doing it. That sucker fell right in there. Whoa. See if I can lose that. There it goes. Sucker's hot. I'll let that cool down. Put the seal in. Yow. Yes, sir. Toasty. This one next. Clean that out better. Well, we got the transmission in. This here is difficult, holding all the rollers and stuff, and you can see that piece there fits in. All this wants to come apart when you're trying to put the shaft in. Next we'll drop the crankshaft in. Okay, crank's dropped right in. Get all these cleaned up. Off the max flex stuff here. Looks real good. Don't need very much. I'm gonna pull this crank back out. Away. Sealed up. This right here will get you the perfect amount on there. Don't need a bunch. Don't need it spooging out everywhere. This so much sticks to the part, so much sticks to your finger. It's like the perfect amount. Chunk there. Alright, got the Mr. Piston in, clutch, and transmission. All together. And just gotta wait for the cylinder to finish drying, and then I can put that on. And glue this nice gasket on. Now it's stuck. There we go. There we go. Put that on. I'll just set up the Kickstarter. Put the cover on. Hey, you got the motor mounted in. I'm cleaning up a couple bolts. New motor mount there. Cylinder come out nice and shiny. Then make an intake gasket. Yeah, getting close. Let's see, this thing starts.